Hey guys, this is Chandni and welcome back to my channel. And in my last video I have told you how to create a wall by using box command. So what happens if we forget to extrude at this part of the junction? So how do we create this inner wall here? So this video is all about to create inner wall by creating edges to the outer wall. So this is one of the method where if you miss the extrude command, you can create a wall by putting edges to this external wall. So we will see how do we do that. So first of all, we'll select the outer wall and convert it into editable poly. In last video I have told you about polygon, but in this case we will be needing edges since we have to create the edges of the inner wall. So we'll click on edges and we will select the outer edges and we will select the horizontal edges of the outer wall as it is shown in front of you. This red line indicates that the wall has been selected. So after selecting, right click on it, go to connect and click on the box as shown. Now we will be needing two edges to create this inner wall. So this is how you create it. You can create multiple as per your requirement, but in this case for a wall I'll be needing two faces, so I'll put here 2 and click on OK. As you see, the edges have been created. So the line as shown are straight lines. So again go to top view, select this edge, deselecting the rest that is not needed, and drag it to the face of the internal wall. We will see if it is done correctly. Yes, it is. Again go to top view, select the other part, deselecting the rest, drag and drop where it is needed. As zoom it to see if it is accurate. So as we can see, it is not accurate yet. We'll move it little more. Yeah, the same way again we will select this line, deselecting the rest and drag it a little bit. Yes. So we'll go to perspective again to see if it is done correctly. Yeah, so this is how it is done. So now since we have created this, we will go to polygon and click on that plane that needs to be extruded. The right color shows that it is selected. Right click on it, go to extrude and give the dimension, enter your numeric value, click, move your cursor, put it on the arrow and drag it the same way we have done. Okay, so this is one case. So there is one common mistake that is done by everybody when we create edges. What is that? We will see. As you can see here also we have missed to extrude a wall in my previous video. So again we will try to by creating edges to outer wall. So for that, go to top view, go to this part where we need to create, go to edges, select horizontal edges of the wall, right click on it, connect. The similar way my number is already there and I'll just click OK. So these are the two edges that are new. We'll go to perspective and see if it is done okay. Yeah. Now can you see there are no vertical lines to it? Why? We'll go to wireframe and see. See, this is my new edge, but there is no connection to it to the bottom edge of the outer wall. there is no vertical line for both the lines. So why did this happen? This happened because we missed to select the bottom horizontal edges of the external wall, outer wall. So what we will do, we will again select the edges, both the bottom and the top edges of the horizontal wall. We'll go to shading. As you can see, this red line, it means, it shows that it has selected correctly. Again, right click on it, go to connect, click on connect box and give your number here and click on OK. And this all is happening under edges selection, not polygon. So go to top view again, select the line, deselecting the ones that is not needed, drag and drop it to the face of the internal wall. The same way, select this line, deselecting the rest that is not needed, drag and drop to the other face of the wall, the internal wall of course. Zoom to be more accurate and place it accordingly. As we can see here, it is not done here correctly. We'll select it again, deselecting the rest, move it a little bit. Yes, so this is how it is done. We'll again go to perspective to check if it is done correctly. So this all has been done using edges of editable poly. Now we have to extrude this plane. So we'll go to polygon and select this part of the wall, right click on it, extrude it the same way, put your cursor and simply drag it. So this is very easy, very fine way, very smooth way to create walls. You just have to be little careful if you are adding edges to the outer wall. Otherwise it is very fine and smooth. So that's all for the video guys. I hope this is useful for you, helpful for you. If you like my video, please like and share my video with your friends and subscribe to my channel, and please click on the bell icon as it is going to notify you for my further videos. Have a nice day. Thank you.